Hey y'all, I'm Cameo Jenkins. I'm here with Steve Martin. He is the entomologist at ABC Home and Commercial Services, and he is also our training director. So, Steve, our homes, our biggest investment. When I hear the word termite, I am scared to death.
And there's a reason to be, because we're in the coastal Bend region. We've got the highest density of termites in the state, and they can do a lot of damage.
What are some warning signs? What do I need to look out for?
Well, you need to walk around the perimeter of your house and look at the slab. You see these mud tunnels coming up the slab? That's an indication that you have a problem. Another indication would be that same mud inside the house coming out of the sheetrock.
Okay.
Anywhere from February through June, you can have these swarm flights. You come in from work one afternoon and you look on the floor and you've got all these wings and these bugs crawling on the ground. That's an indication that you have a problem and you need to do something.
And they kind of look like ants, is that right?
They're confused with ants every day. So you want to make sure you have a professional come out and identify your problem, so that you know that those are termites you're treating for. Right.
Okay, so what can ABC do to help with that?
Well, one of the things that ABC can do is we can put monitoring stations out around the perimeter of the house just to detect termites that are living in the area. You can have termites included with your pest control, where we have a trained technician come out and perform pest control, and during that process, they're inspecting your home for termites. If you know that you have termites, ABC can come in and can treat those entry points. Termites enter the house on the outside beam wall. They enter the house through the plumbing and through cracks in the slab, and so ABC can come in and protect your house from termites and from further damage.
Well, thank you so much, Steve. Awesome information, great for everyone to know. Again, protect your biggest investment. Feel free to check out our blog. We talk a lot about termites. We have lots of pictures, frequently asked questions, and if you suspect you have a problem or just want a professional opinion, call ABC Home and Commercial Services.